Hi, Krista and Mary Jane. I know you've been having some trouble with Flipgrid, so I'm going to take a minute to show you what you can do. I am viewing this actually as a student, so you can see here's the Flipgrid and here's what the questions you need to answer. So what you're going to do is you're going to click Add, okay? And you will need to log in with your Google account. So I'm going to click Log in. I'm going to log in with my Trekka account. And it's going to say record a video. Instead of recording a video, what you can do, and now you can see my pretty face, you can go to upload, okay, and upload something. You can add sticky notes, you can add filters and text and stickers and a drawing, and you can even use the whiteboard. So if I click on whiteboard, here is where I can answer my questions, okay, instead of using my voice. If I go back here, I can also upload an image or a file. So if I click on this, I can go to my desktop and go to pictures. Oh, I'm sorry. Sometimes my computer is silly. I can go to pictures and let's say I love Lion King. So I'm going to open that and I'm going to tell you about Lion King. Okay. These are just some of the ways that you can use Flipgrid without using your voice. You can add a sticky note here and say, this is my story. Now we're going to hit record. And you can see it says, this is my story. Now, if I click the arrow down here while I'm recording, I'm going to hit next. Okay, so I can record more. I can clear this and clear this. And now I can add another picture, video, sticker. We'll add Navi this time. And I'm going to say, I want to graduate. That's my goal. Hit record. And you can see it's going to record again. So now you have a vision of what this will look like. You can be creative. You can use Google Slides like this one to add to your pictures. You can use images. I know that you are capable of doing this. I want you to have some fun with it, explore the Flipgrid because there are going to be some more Flipgrid assignments that are going to be coming up. Have some fun with it, Krista. Be creative. You have been so creative so far this year, and I'm so proud of you. Please let me know if you have any questions.